Oil change prank.
What happened?
So I went to bring it to an oil change, then you know when they check everything, it's like this, this, and this. So I said, yeah, just whatever, and they charged me $4.50.
She thinks it's good.
I would have lost my mind.
What did you do?
What did they do? Vinny must have lost. Vinny must have.
yet.
What did they do?
I know, just an oil change, I thought.
Something happened. What the fuck? What the fuck? Wow. Wow. Why?